ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 288। विपरीत प्रत्यय दर्शनम। पूर्व पक्षी said विपरीत प्रत्यय दर्शनम can be the कारण for अज्ञान निवृत्ति अभाव. Ajnana has not gone because viparita pratyaya is there. So Siddhanti says, when the jnanam takes place, ajnanam is gone. But because of prarabdha karma, viparita pratyayas are seen. So this we have to understand properly in the context what is meant. Because it was said, yavad arabdha kshayam ragadi abhasa avirodhat tat kshaye cha देहाभास जगदाभासयोः अभावान् न आद्य ज्ञानस्य अज्ञान निवर्तकत्व अनुपपत्तिरित्युत्तरम् आह. तच्छेष. तच्छेष, what is the sutra? Before that, Shashwati. Two sutras, right? Tat Shesha. Shakara becomes Chakara. When Ati Pare. So At is there, therefore Shashwati. Then Stoshunashu. तदेव प्रपंचयति. येन कर्मणा शरीरम आरब्धम तद विपरीत प्रत्यय दोष निमित्तत्वात् तस्य तथा भूतस्यैव विपरीत प्रत्यय दोष संयुक्तस्य फलदाने सामर्थ्यम इति यावत् शरीर पातस तावत् फलोपभोग अंगतया विपरीत प्रत्ययं रागादिदोषंच तावन् मात्रम् आक्षिपति एव. येन कर्मणा शरीरम आरब्धम मीन्स प्रारब्ध कर्मणा शरीरम आरब्धम तद विपरीत प्रत्यय दोष निमित्तत्वात् तस्य तथा भूतस्य एव विपरीत प्रत्यय दोष निमित्तत्वात्. Because of the viparita pratyaya means anything different from what is understood as Jivan Mukta Lakshana. You cannot say anything different from Brahma Lakshana because everything will be different from Brahma Lakshana. So you have to put somewhere that this is the criteria. From there I see some Viparita Pratyaya. Like how he gave Deha Abhas is there, Jagat Abhas is there, Raga these are there, etc. So this is all Viparita, different from what I expect in Jivan Mukta. From that, this is different in this way. Or some people may have some kalpana of their own that Jivan Mukta means he should not feel cold. Means in cold water in Gangaji he should go, stand there, take cold water bath, and he should not feel it. Then he is a Jivan Mukta. Any some such thing, so that is not necessary. But people have such kalpana. Tika तत्शब्दस्य आक्षिपति इति अनेन संबंधः. तद विपरीत, that तद शब्द is आक्षिपति all the way at the end. तावन मात्रम आक्षिपति एव. So तद प्रारब्ध कर्म, see येन कर्मणा शरीरम आरब्धम, तद प्रारब्धम कर्म आक्षिपति. In this way you can take the वाक्य. आक्षेपकत्व नियमम साधयति विपरीत इति. विपरीत प्रत्यय दोष निमित्तत्वात्. What is विपरीत प्रत्यय? See, मिथ्या ज्ञानेन रागादि दोषेण च निमित्तेन प्रवृत्तत्वात् इति यावत्. मिथ्या ज्ञानम is there. मिथ्या ज्ञानम means just as in Rajju Sarpa Jnanam is Mithya Jnanam, in Brahma Jagat Jnanam will be Mithya Jnanam, or Dehe Aham Pratyaya will be Mithya Jnanam. But he will do Vyavahara like that. And Ragadi Doshena Cha, some Raga Dvesha, if they are expressed, we will discuss about that also. Nimittena pravrittatvat iti yavad. So his pravritti may be because of mithya jnanam or because of some ragadi dosha. Iti yavad. Tatha bhutasya ityasya vivaranam viparita pratyaya ityadi. So tatha bhuta pratyaya is called viparita pratyaya. कर्मैव षष्ठ्या विशेष्यते. तस्य विपरीत प्रत्यय दोष निमित्तत्वात् तस्य कर्मणः. इन भाष्य तस्य तथा भूतस्यैव विपरीत प्रत्यय दोष संयुक्तस्य फलदाने सामर्थ्यम इति यावत् शरीरपातस् तावत् फलोपभोग अंगतया. विपरीत प्रत्ययम रागादि दोषम च तावन मात्रम आक्षेप्यति एव. As long as sharira is continuing, yavat sharirapata means until the body drops, tavat phala upabhoga angataya, as part of the results to be experienced, karma phala to be experienced, phalasya karma phalasya upabhoga angataya. विपरीत प्रत्ययम रागादि दोषंच तावन मात्रम आक्षिपति एव. विपरीत प्रत्यय and ragadi dosha will keep coming. And prarabdha karmanah phaladane samarthyam. Prarabdha karma is capable of giving phalam. How? Pratyaya dosha sanyuktasya. Such pratyas you will see. Then only one jnani's prarabdha is different from another jnani's prarabdha, and you will see two jnanis reacting to situations differently, going through their experiences differently, etc. If all Brahma jnanis would have same prarabdha, then there would not be any bheda. If all Brahma jnanis would respond to their own prarabdha in the same way, then prarabdha actually has no role to play significant. So prarabdha will play its role and prarabdha will make that person do things. In Panchadashi's 7th chapter, there is a shloka where it was said that if prarabdha would not have been there, then Nala, Rama, Yudhishthira, they would not have any situations or circumstances which they were not in accordance with, but they had to face something. Nobody wants to go to forest and live, but Ramchandraji also had to do, Yudhishthira also had to do, etc. So that is the last Chaturtha Pada, Nala Rama Yudhishthira. So that will be there for everybody. टीका तावन मात्रम प्रतिभास मात्र शरीरम यावत शरीर पातस तावन मात्र प्रतिभास मात्र शरीरम प्रतिभास मात्र शरीर विल बी देयर प्रारब्ध कर्मणो अपि अज्ञान जन्यत्वेन ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्वात् न ज्ञानी ज्ञानिनः प्रारब्ध कर्मणो अपि अज्ञान जन्यत्वेन ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्वात् न ज्ञानिनस्ततो देहाभासादि संभवति इति आशंक्या आह। यद यद अज्ञान कार्यम तत्तद ज्ञान निवर्त्यम प्रारब्ध कर्मणः अज्ञान कार्यत्वात् ज्ञान निवर्त्यत्वम. So if jnanam removes ajnanam and ajnana karyam, bhranti dvaita buddhi is ajnana karyam. If ajnana karya has to go, prarabdha karma also has to go. It is also ajnana karyam. Prarabdha karmano api ajnana janyatvena. It has ajnana janyatvam. Therefore it will have jnana nivartyatvam. Yatra yatra ajnana janyatvam tatra tatra jnana nivartyatvam. न ज्ञानिनस देह ततो देहाभासादि संभवति. पूर्व पक्षी says ज्ञानी should not have देहाभास because प्रारब्ध should be over. इति आशंक्याः मुक्त ईशुवत् प्रवृत्त फलत्वात् तद हेतुकस्य कर्मणः. मुक्त ईशुवत् like a released arrow. प्रवृत्त फलत्वात् the results of that prarabdha karma, they are already pravritta. Everything is already happening. So you cannot stop them anymore. Like that released arrow, mukta issue has gone. Tad hetukasya karmana. Karmana tad hetukam. Tika. In other words, Jnani will have prarabdha, Jnani will have dehavasa, Jnani will have jagadavasa, Jnani will also have some raga, dvesha, etc. experienced. यथा प्रवृत्त वेगस्य ईश्वादेर वेग क्षयादेव अप्रतिबद्धस्य क्षयस तथा भोगादेव आरब्ध क्षयो भोगेन तु इतरे क्षपयित्वा संपद्यत इति न्यायात् न ज्ञानात् इत्यर्थः. यथा प्रवृत्त वेगस्य ईश्वादेर वेग क्षयादेव, if a arrow is released, it will stop only when the vega goes down. If a pravritta vega is there, pravritto vego yasya, saha pravritta vega ishuade. So here also क्षयाद एव अप्रतिबद्धस्य क्षयः तथा भोगाद एव आरब्ध क्षयो. Prarabdha kshaya will happen only when you go through it. You have to go through the prarabdha. भोगेन तु इतरे क्षपयित्वा संपद्यत इति न्यायात. न्यायात means ब्रह्म सूत्र. 10 number टिप्पणी. See 9 number also. भोगेन तु इतरे क्षपयित्वा. This is सूत्र number 4119. संचित कर्मणां ब्रह्म ज्ञानेन नाश उक्तः. ब्रह्म ज्ञानेन संचित कर्मणां नाशः. इतरे इतरे प्रारब्ध आरब्ध कार्ये पुण्य पापे तु भोगेन क्षपयित्वा विद्वान ब्रह्म संपद्यते. यू हैव टू गो थ्रू भोग. अथ संपत्स्ये छांदोग्य श्रुति तस्य तावदेव चिरम यावन् अथ संपत्स्ये ब्रह्मैव सन् ब्रह्माप्येति इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यः. ब्रह्मैव सन् ब्रह्माप्येति. ब्रह्मैव सन् ब्रह्माप्येति. This is Brahadaranyaka. In other words, prarabdha you have to exhaust. Iti nyayat na jnanat ityarthah. न ज्ञानात् क्षयः किंतु भोगादेव क्षयः. तद हेतुकस्य विपरीत प्रत्ययादि प्रतिभास कार्यजनकस्य इति यावत्. तद हेतुकस्य विपरीत प्रत्ययादि प्रतिभास कार्यजनकस्य. तद हेतुक कर्मण तद हेतुकस्य कर्मणः विपरीत प्रत्यादि आभास प्रतिभास कार्य जनकस्य. That prarabdha karma will produce viparita pratyaya. That is its job. How in Purana and all they will say Bhagavan wanted to do some leela so that bhaktas buddhi will act differently for that time. Like Narad ji, he will start thinking one way, then he will get angry with Bhagavan, then he will give shrapa to Bhagavan. Then Bhagavan will accept shrapa. Then after 1 minute, everything is normal. Then Narad ji says, what did I do? Why did I give shrapa? Bhagavan says, it's all my lila. So like that, that is the job of this viparita pratyaya will come no matter what. It sounds good when you are not involved in either of them. When you are one of them, then it doesn't sound good. Right? टीका. ननु ज्ञानम अनारब्ध कर्मवद आरब्धमपि कर्म कर्मत्व अविशेषात् निवर्तयिष्यति. अनुमानम is there. Tell me what is paksha. First of all, what is clear that you understand? What is the drashtanta? Anarabdha karma is drashtanta. Anarabdha karma, what is given? So anarabdha karma is drashtanta. What is hetu?
Karmatva avisheshat.
Karmatva avisheshat means karmatva is there. This is hetu. So two are clear. Hetu and drashtanta. Now you have to put pratignya vakya.
Jnanam is paksha. Arabdha karma is sadhya.
How will you put jnanam arabdha karma in this way? Pratignya. What will be the pratignya? Karma, you have to use Kriya Pada. What was that? Jnanam Arabdha Karma na nivartayishyati. Nivartayishyati. Jnanam Arabdha Karma nivartayishyati. Now, so if you say Jnanam is Paksha and Sadhya will be Prarabdha Karma.
Prarabdha karma, the non is the paksha, and jnanam na nivartayishyati is the satya.
And Paksha is?
Arabdham karma.
Because if you do the other way, you will have problem that Drishtanta is Anarabdha Karmatva. So Karmatva has to be there, and it will not be there in Hetu, because Hetu is Jnanam. I mean in Paksha, because Paksha is Jnanam. So Karmatva Avisheshat, right? Hetu is what? Karmatva. Karmatva Hetu you need in Paksha also. And Karmatva Hetu you need in Drishtanta. So it is already there in Drishtanta. Karmatva Hetu if you need in Paksha, then what will be the Paksha? Prarabdha Karma. Then what will become Sadhya? Not Jnanam na nivartayishyati. Jnana nivartyatvam. Prarabdha Karma Jnana nivartyam. Prarabdha Karma Jnana nivartyam. Purvapakshi is saying, let Prarabdha Karma also be removed by Jnanam. Anarabdha Karma. Drishtanta is Anarabdha Karma. Paksha is Prarabdha Karma. Just as Sanchita Karma is removed by Ajnanam. Sanchita Karma has Karmatva. Sanchita Karma has Jnana Nivartyatva. So Prarabdha Karma also has Karmatva. Prarabdha Karma also should have Jnana Nivartyatva. This is Purvapakshi's Anumana. See, when one Vakya is given, to put Paksha Sadhya properly, so that in Paksha Hetu is also there, everything you have to see. Ashya. Tena na tasya nivartika vidya avirodhat. Tena na tasya nivartika vidya. Vidya tasya na nivartika. Tena means because that viparita pratyaya is experienced. Therefore, vidya tasya prarabdha karmana na nivartika. Because it is like mukta issue. And therefore, you have to experience it. Bhogena kshayaha. Therefore, vidya is prarabdha karmasya na nivartika. Vidya is only nivartika of anarabdha karma. Sanchita agami. So in Tika actually, netyaha is given. Nivartaishyati, comma, na ityaha. So that na is not given separately in Bhashya. Tika. Avidya leshena सह आरब्धस्य कर्मणो विद्या निवर्तिका न भवति इति अत्र हेतुमाह. Avidya lesha is there. Avidya lesha doesn't mean ये थोड़े ignorant हैं अभी. हाँ, not like that. Avidya lesha means avidya karya in the form of prarabdha karma as a vikshepa. Avarana is gone, but that much part of vikshepa is still remaining. This is called avidya lesha. Avidya leshena saha आरब्धस्य कर्मणो विद्या निवर्तिका न भवति. So that much amsha is seen, and therefore vidya karmanah nivartika na bhavati iti atra hetumah avirodhat. This is explained in so many places that jnanam, brahma jnanam and prarabdha, they don't have virodha. Brahma jnanam and sanchita agami, they have virodha. नहीं ज्ञानाद आरब्धम कर्म क्षीयते तद अविरोधात् अविद्यालेशाच्च तद अवस्थितेर अन्यथा जीवन मुक्ति शास्त्र विरोधात् इति भावः. नहीं ज्ञानाद आरब्धम कर्म क्षीयते, ज्ञानाद आरब्धम कर्म न क्षीयते तद अविरोधित्वात्. Because ज्ञानाद प्रारब्ध कर्म क्षय is not there because there is no virodha, and avidyaleshacha, avidyalesha continues. See 9 number tippani. Vikshepa shakti pradhana. Avidyalesha means only that. We have seen this in Sankshepa Shariraka. तदवस्थितेर अन्यथा जीवन मुक्ति शास्त्र विरोधात् इति भावः. Otherwise, जीवन मुक्ति शास्त्र virodha will be there. Means a person, as soon as he gets the knowledge, prarabdha karma is gone, he dies there. There is no prarabdha remaining. Then where is Jivan Mukta? There is no Jivan Mukta then. From Jnani's standpoint, he is already Videha Mukta. From other standpoint, they say, oh, he is Jivan Mukta. Why? Because they think he has Jivan and he is Mukta. Jnani says, I have no Deha, therefore I am Videha Mukta. आरब्धस्य कर्मणो ज्ञान अनिवर्त्यत्वे ज्ञानम कर्म निवर्तकम इति कथम प्रसिद्धिः इत्याह. If prarabdha karma, arabdha karmanah jnana anivartyatve, if prarabdha karma is not removed by jnanam, then how do you say jnanam removes karma? Katham prasiddhihi ityah किं तर्हि स्वाश्रयाद एव स्वात्म विरोधी अविद्या कार्यम यद उत्पित्सु तन निरुणद्धि अनागतत्वात् अतीतं हि इतरत्. किं तर्हि, what is the prasiddhi then? So prasiddhi विषयमाह स्वाश्रयादेव स्वात्म विरोधी अविद्या कार्यम यद उत्पित्सु. स्वाश्रयात एव. So jnanam will take place in this antakarana. Brahmakar vritti will take place in antakarana. That antakarana is part of pramata. Because pramata is antakarana vishishta chaitanya. And ajnanam is also ashrita right there. So Brahmakar vritti and ajnanam, there is virodha with them. If somebody says ajnanam, how it is in buddhi, ajnanam is in atma, because atma is the ashraya. So then you should understand, yes, atma is the ashraya but that ajnanam expresses in antakarana, in buddhi. So swatma virodhi avidya karyam, ब्रह्माकार वृत्ति विरोधी is this avidya karyam, yad utpitsu tan nirunadhi. Utpitsu means utpattim ichchu. So the result of this brahmakar vritti it will create virodha only with anagata sanchita karma. Yad utpitsu tan nirunadhi anagatatvat atitam hi itarat. The prarabdha phal, karma phala is something which has already started giving results. So, jnanam cannot control the prarabdha karma which has already started, that antakarana. But it will be badhita. What you should understand here is, antakaranam is badhita. Antakaranam will not remain satyam. Jnanam, what is said here is, jnanam is in some ashraya. That antakarana where avidya was. It will destroy that avidya. But some part of that avidya karya, what is that? In the form of that antakarana itself. As long as that antakaranam is there, he has to live his life. Because of that avidya lesha in that antakarana, sthula sharira continues. This is what we say, his prarabdham is continuing. So that part of prarabdha karma, that is not destroyed. However you want to take. But in Vedanta, how we say, that antakaranam is badhita. In that antakarana, aham buddhi is badhita. So I am pramata, this is only a secondary statement. I am Brahma is primary understanding. Like in Panchadasi, they say Jnani will have two aham. So if he is going somewhere, etc., then in Vyavahara he will use aham pashyami, aham gacchami, aham pathami ityadi. And he will also say aham nitya shuddha buddha mukta satya brahma. So aham he is using in both. So one is mukhya prayoga, another is gauna prayoga. So the gauna prayoga is as pramata, karta, bhokta, etc. It is badhita. टीका नहीं, हाँ, नहीं, ज्ञान विरोधी यद अज्ञान कार्यम अनारब्धम कर्म ज्ञानाश्रय प्रमात्रादि आश्रयात् अज्ञानात् फलात्मना जन्माभिमुखम तन्निवर्तकम ज्ञानम इति प्रसिद्धि ही अविरुद्धा इत्यर्थः. ज्ञान विरोधी यद अज्ञान कार्यम अनारब्धम कर्म, that is ज्ञान विरोधी. ज्ञान आश्रय प्रमात्रादि आश्रयात्. Jnana ashraya is pramata here because jnanam takes place in buddhi. Pramatradi ashrayat. Ajnanat phalatmana janmabhimukham tan nivartakam jnana. There in that antakarana, sanchita karmas are also there. They all are destroyed. Iti prasiddhi aviruddha. Purvapakshi's question was, how do you prove jnanam removes karma? So Siddhanti says, this is the prasiddhi. Vimatam, न ज्ञान निवर्त्यं कर्मत्वात् आरब्ध कर्मवत् इति अनुमानात् अनारब्धम अपि कर्म न ज्ञान निरस्यम इति आशंक्याः. पूर्व पक्षी says, if sanchita karma is not removed by brahma jnana, then I will do anumanam. Vimatam na jnana nivartyam karmatvat arabdha karmavat. Sanchita karma, vimatam means sanchitam. Sanchitam na jnana nivartyam. Sanchita karma is not removed by jnana. Why? Karmatvat, because it is karma, like arabdha karma. Prarabdha karma is not jnana nivartya. So sanchita also will not be like that. अनारब्धम अपि कर्म न ज्ञान निरस्यम इति आशंक्याः अनागतत्वात् इति. अनागतत्वात् अतीतं हि इतरत. There is a bhed between them. Anagata karma can be nashtam through jnana. Arabdha karma cannot be. Tika. अनारब्धम कर्म फल रूपेण अप्रवृत्तत्वात् प्रवृत्तेन ज्ञानेन निवर्त्यम्. Anarabdha karma has not started giving phalam. Therefore, apravrittatvat, because there is no pravritti, pravrittena jnanena nivartyam. Arabdham tu karma phala rupena jatatvat, tad bhogat rite na nivrittim arhati. Prarabdha karma, without phala bhoga, there is no nivritti. Anumanantu agama apabaditam apramanam ityartha. You have done this anumanam, it sounds good, but it is against Shruti. Therefore, it is apramanam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.